MeghalayaPost.news.
Kibor jokatnat Civil Hospital Nongpoh mentakasngi kila pelong da kajing Rakhe ka Bakarpang bankan mau Burom ya kajing Syakri bakordor jongki nas ya kabalatip kumka International Nurses Day aja absan halor kapang pedeng our nurses our future caring for nurses strengthen economies. Hakane kajing Rakhe ka Bakarpang bala pelong haka conference hall jongka Civil Hospital Nongpoh lawan bani simenta da ka Dr. Dibla medical superintendent kumka kongsan hakajing don langru ka Kong Danila T Sangma nursing superintendent ki sister brother in charge ki staff nurse ka Civil Hospital bat ki kena puli nurse ka GNM Nursing School Pahams Im. Haswa ban sedang ya kani kajing Rakhe lapli ya ka dur saknam joka Florence Nightingale ka badi ka nurse ka Basyakri Janayu Paikba bat ka badiru ka Nongshem ya ka modern nursing badru ka jingthang ya ka syarak. Ha bakren hakani ka program ka Dr. Bla kal ai kublai kerpang ya barok ki staff nurse omtang joka Civil Hospital Henry ya barok ki Basyakri Paikba kum ki nurse ki ba IT med bat mensim bat Syakri ya ki Nongpang hakaleng ki jaka Sumar Paikba. Kalau angru baka kam kum kinas kam long sisa ka basuk Henry day ka jing IT met bat mensim baka jing Len Lade da kinas ki Paikba ki yo sisa ki jing Sumar ki bapaka ki Paikba ki sengan bak ki suk mensim habayo ki jing Sumar leng bak kinas kala kenturu bakum kinas ki dei banang ya ai ya ka jing Syakri ki bapaka bat janai om tang ban pre tang dep ne ban ai ne tang ban shuyo ka tulop da ka bak ki perkhat bak ki jet hi ya ka ne kam Paikba ban Syakri kum kinas leng ba ka de ka jing Rakhe la samru ikusnam sekinong job bat inong simenta ki program baper bala pelong leng bak nurses week.
Tribute to the unwavering dedication, compassion, and resilience that you nurses demonstrate every single day. You know, nurses are more than just healthcare professionals. You are the caregivers, the educators, and often the first and the last point of contact for patients. Yes, in practical life also we can see that when we admit patient, the nurses are the ones who admit the patient. And yes, when the patient leaves the hospital, yes, the nurses are the ones who discharge the patient. A nurse provides care, comfort, and hope to the patient. You see, like sometimes we are very busy in our daily, we have so stressed in our works, all of us, you know, it's not just me, even you people from the higher level up to the lower level, we are so stressed out with works. You know, sometimes we even forget, you know, who we are. Remember that, you know, the doctors, the nurses, and all the health workers, we are unique in this hospital. In this healthcare, we are unique. You cannot compare us with the other employees, you know, in the other departments. We are so different from the other employees in the other departments. And yes, we should not forget that what we are being taught in our institutions, you know, be it a doctor or a nurse, we have to remember that we have taken oath to be what we are. We have to remember this. We have to put inside, you know, the day like now, these are all the students here. A day will come when you, just by studying also, I've seen you people taking the oath. And when you finish your studies, you will be taking the biggest oath in your life. So make your profession noble. Do not work because, you know, sometimes we work because, yeah, I have my duty from this time to this time, then we finish my duty. Yeah, I don't care. At the end of the month, I get my salary. It's true. Who can take your salary? All of us, we get our salary. And we work. How you work is up to you. Nobody can stop your salary. So we have that attitude sometimes, you know, we used to forget. We come here, we do our duty because we have to. And yes, we get a salary at the end of the month. That is very sad. You know, you work and serve because you want to. It's not because the seniors are telling you. It's not because sister is telling you. It's not because I tell you. It's because you want to. You should love your profession. You serve with feelings, you know. To love your profession, you have to serve with feelings, with all your heart. If you have no feelings for your profession, then you'll never be able to serve properly humanity. You have to work with feelings and serve the patients with feelings. Every time you care, you give the comfort and the hope. You nurses have the opportunity to heal the mind, the soul, the heart, and the body of patient. Patient may forget your name, but they will never forget how you made them feel. You know, this is your priceless achievement. Be proud to be a nurse, but be humble like Florence Nightingale.
MeghalayaPost.news.